Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu states, on the day of sacrifice, he sallallahu alayhi wasallam mounted on his camel and a man held its nose string. He sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, "Do you know which day is it?" The companions radiyallahu anhum submitted, "Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and His Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam know the best." We even thought he sallallahu alayhi wasallam would give that day some other name. He sallallahu alayhi wasallam then said, "Isn't it the day of sacrifice?" We submitted, "Yes, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam." He sallallahu alayhi wasallam thereafter said, "Which month is this?" We submitted, "Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and His Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam know the best." He sallallahu alayhi wasallam thereupon said, "Isn't it Zulhajj?" We submitted, "Yes, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam." He sallallahu alayhi wasallam then said, "Which city is this?" We submitted, "Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and His Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam know the best." The reporter says, we even thought he sallallahu alayhi wasallam might give that city some other name. He sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, "Isn't it Al-Balada, Makkah Mukarrama?" We submitted, "Yes, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam." He sallallahu alayhi wasallam then said, "Your blood, your property and your honor is forbidden to each of you, like the sanctity of this day of yours, in this city of yours, in this month of yours. Let the present convey it to the absentees." He sallallahu alayhi wasallam then turned towards two grey rams and slaughtered them. He sallallahu alayhi wasallam then turned towards a flock of goats and apportioned them among us. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4360.